Hello everyone, my name is John. Today I will tell you how to set up uploading new contacts from Agile CRM to the eSputnik mailing service. This is necessary in order to automatically transfer new contacts from Agile CRM to other systems. For example, in eSputnik you can add new contacts, set up email campaigns for them, and interact with them in every possible way in the future. Now let's move on to the setup. First, you need to create a new connection. Then you need to select the Agile CRM data source system. Now you need to choose an action. Get contacts, new. At this stage, you need to connect your Agile CRM account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you must specify the domain, login and API key. To get this data, go to your personal Agile CRM account. We copy the domain from the address bar, without additional characters. Next, specify the Agile CRM user login. Now you need to specify the API key to get it back to your personal Agile CRM account. Next, go to Admin Settings. Now go to the Developers API section. Copy the REST API and paste it into the appropriate field in the ApiX-Drive system. When the required fields are filled, click Continue. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it. No additional settings are provided for the Agile CRM system, so just click Continue. At this stage, you can set up a data filter. In this case, there is no need for this, so we also click Continue. Now you see the data for one of your Agile CRM contacts. If everything suits you, click Next. This completes the setup of the Agile CRM data source. Now you need to go to the data destination settings. Choose eSputnik as the data destination system. Next, you need to select an action. Add contact. At this stage you need to connect your eSputnik account to the ApiX-Drive system. In this window, you must specify the login and password of your eSputnik personal account. When the required fields are filled, click Continue. When the connected login is displayed in the list, select it and click Continue. At this stage, you need to select an address book in which new contacts will be created for each new contact from Agile CRM. Now you see eSputnik fields for creating new contacts. You can assign variables from Agile CRM to these fields. In order to do this, click in the field and select a variable from the drop-down list. When all the required fields are filled, click Continue. At this point, you see an example of the data that will be sent to eSputnik as new contacts for each new contact from Agile CRM. If something does not suit you, click Edit and go back a step. In order to check the correctness of the settings, click Send Test Data to eSputnik. After successful sending, go to eSputnik and check the result. If everything suits you, return to the ApiX-Drive service and continue setting up. This completes the setup of eSputnik data reception successfully. Now you need to enable auto-update and select the update interval, for example once every 5 minutes. That's all. I wish you successful integration settings and good luck.